In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change board or workspace permissions in monday.com. To get started, open monday.com and navigate to the specific board or workspace where you want to update access. Make sure you're in the correct location before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple boards for different teams or projects. Taking a moment to confirm this helps avoid accidentally editing permissions in the wrong place. Once you're inside the board or workspace, look for the option labeled Share Permissions or Board Settings. The exact wording can vary a little depending on the type of board you're using and any recent interface updates, but it will usually be located near the top area of the page or within a menu. This is where monday.com keeps the access and collaboration controls. After opening that section, review who currently has access. You should see a list of people, teams, guests, or groups that can view or interact with the board. This step is important because it gives you a clear picture of the current setup before making changes. It's a good idea to slow down here and double check whether everyone listed still needs the level of access they have. Next, choose the person or team you want to update. Be careful to select the correct user or group, especially if several people have similar roles. If you're managing permissions for an entire team, confirm that you're editing the shared team access and not just one individual account. Now change their permission level. Depending on what's available in your setup, this might include options such as viewer, editor, or admin. A viewer can usually see the board without making changes. An editor can typically update items and content, and an admin often has broader control over settings and structure. Choose the level that best matches what that person or team actually needs. In general, it's a good practice to give the lowest level of access necessary so the board stays secure and organized. Once you've made the change, save the permission updates. Don't skip this part, because if you leave the settings without saving, your changes may not be applied. Finally, check that the right people can access or edit the board as intended. Review the updated permission list and confirm that each person or team now has the correct role. This final check helps prevent confusion later and make sure your board is ready for smooth collaboration. That's how to update board or workspace permissions in monday.com.